Distributive property. Quick reminder. Remember how we have algebra tiles and the 1 by 1. This one is the 1 tile. This was 1 by x, so this is called the x tile. And this is a long one, is x times x, which gives us x squared. So we call the little guy the unit tile, number 1, the long one, x tile, and the big square, the x squared. So here's one way we could do this particular example. So we go black. 2 times x plus 3. Well, x was the long side, so I'm going to make a long side on the top. I'm going to put a dot. And I got plus 3. Well, each one, single one, is a little one. Now this is what I have. An x, that's an x, plus 3. But I need to multiply by 2, which is the 2 is outside. 2 is going to come down on this side, so we're going to go down one little one, and this is the times 2. And you remember how we do length times width gives us area? So if I now on every knot and every dot, I draw a line across, I'm going to have my pictures. And I'm going to say, oh yeah, I got 2 x1s. So 2 x1s, that's 2x. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 unit ones. This is the same thing as we're doing when we expand with the arrow. Well, that's 2x, because 2 times x is 2x, and plus 6. So we can see obviously that, hey, see the top part, this is x plus 3. Well, if we got 2 lines of x plus 3, of course we're going to have 2 x's and then 6 of them. So let's do another one. So what about 5 times 2x plus 1? Okay, we'll do, I want to go black again. 2x plus 1, that would be 2 long ones. I'm going to make this a little smaller. So that's like 1 long one, 2 long ones, and 1 tiny one. Great. And I go 5 down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because we're going to have 5 rows of that. This is 5, this is 2x, and this is plus 1. Just like before, I'm going to draw the lines and all the knots that I just put on it without thinking much. And I'm going to see what comes out. Oh, I got, let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 10 x's, because those are the long ones. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 single ones. Yeah, well, it makes sense. If I have this line here, just like 2 x's and 1, and I have 5 rows of it, I'm going to have 10x plus 5. On distributive property, just doing the little arrows, I'm going to say 5 times 2x. 5 times 2 is 10x. 5 times 1 gives us 5. And of course, then I didn't do any negatives to make it easier. But if we have something like minus 3, and then let's say it's like, I don't know, 2x squared minus 5x plus 10, I can do the arrow still thing going like here. I need to multiply that by 3, that's minus 6. The variables stay the same, and I got plus 15x, and this last one, minus 3 times 10, is minus 30.